Welcome to this short demonstration on how to navigate the computer-based test user interface for a directorate promotion examination in civil service. This video is brought to you by Federal Civil Service Commission, and I'll be taking you through this simple step-by-step guide. Please note that this is only a simulated demonstration and not the actual examination platform. It is designed to help you understand what to expect during the real CBT and to make you familiar with the typical steps and layout. The actual interface and button may vary slightly depending on the exam configuration. And for this demo, we'll be using the Program Analyst Kidder. Step 1. Logging in. Before the exam date, you'll be provided with your login credentials. On the exam day, once instructed, carefully enter your credentials on the CBT portal, then sign in. Step 2. Understanding the exam interface. On your dashboard, you see the exam assigned to you. This is automatically linked to your CADA and other pre-configured parameters. Click on Start Exam when instructed. You'll see 3 areas: the timer, the question area, and the navigation. The time duration for this exam is 60 minutes, and a countdown as you go. You can submit on or before your time elapses as long as you're done with your exam. When the time has elapsed and you're yet to submit, the system will close the exam interface and automatically submit your answers. The question area. The question area is at the center and the 4 answer options are directly below. To select the correct option, use the mouse to click on your choice. If no mouse is provided, you may use the keyboard. Press the letter corresponding to your preferred option: A, B, C, or D. For example, press A if your preferred option is A. Navigation. To move to the next question, click the next button or press N on the keyboard. For the previous question, click the previous button or press P. Alternatively, you can use the question number button to go directly to any desired question. You can also use the bookmark button to flag questions you may wish to revisit or review before submitting the exam. This helps you to easily navigate only the bookmarked questions. 3. Review and submission. Before submitting, you should review your answers or revisit flag questions through the bookmark button. When you're done, click Submit and confirm your submission when prompted. A confirmation message will appear after submission. Depending on the configuration, your score may appear immediately as shown in this demo or be released through official channels. And that's it. This simulation is intended to help you get comfortable with the CBT process before the real examination. Remember, the best way to perform well is to stay calm, read each question carefully, and follow all on-screen instructions. Thank you for watching and good luck in your exams.